Stop paying for AI video tools. Today, I'm bringing you the 3 best free and unlimited AI video generators on the internet. I'll show you my hidden workflow tricks and reveal the one tool that can actually generate synced audio and realistic voices for free, instantly making your content look and sound way more professional. I'll also be sharing my hidden workflow tricks for each one so you can use them like an absolute pro. First up is the newly updated version of Grok AI. You might already know it for its usual text and research interface, but this new version comes packed with features. What we care about right now is the Imagine section. Instantly, you'll see a gallery of community creations that proves just how insane the quality of this tool is. Before you even type anything, here is a really interesting trick. If a community generation catches your eye, click Video Options and reapply a preset animation to see a completely different vibe. And if none of the presets work for you, just write your own prompt so the AI remakes the video exactly how you want it. The quality is amazing, but the audio really stands out because it isn't just generic background music, it actively matches your visual prompt. You can actually hear the specific instruments. But what if you love the look of a video but want to change the motion? Easy. Click the Image section to see the base image. If you hit More, you can use that exact same prompt to endlessly generate hundreds of images and videos. It's practically infinite. Once you find the perfect one, click it and hit Make Video. You can use a prompt, a preset, or let the AI decide. You can even click Edit Image to change small details before animating. And of course, you can download it when you're done. Worried about losing your progress? Don't be. Click over to the Favorites section and you'll find a full history of everything you've generated so you can easily organize your workflow. Now, let's make our own videos. At the bottom of the Image tab, you can type your prompt and choose your aspect ratio, 9:16 for shorts and TikToks, or 16:9 for horizontal content. Important, leave all the other settings exactly as they are. If you turn those up, it becomes a paid feature, and we want to keep this completely free and unlimited. You can select Video to generate motion directly, but my favorite method is selecting Image, re-rolling until I find the perfect visual, and then turning it into a video. It gives great results even without sound. But if you want your characters to talk consistently with lip sync, add this specific trick to your prompt. Tell the AI to ensure the character has lip sync and says the following. Insert your exact quote in quotation marks. Today, we're just focusing on video, but Grok AI does so much more. Let me know in the comments if you want a dedicated video breaking down everything this tool can do. The next tool is one of my personal favorites, and Meta AI has also rolled out some incredible new features. Just like Grok, you can generate text and research, but today is all about video. If you scroll down, you can see the video quality. Honestly, in my opinion, it might even be better than the first tool. It acts like a social platform where you can watch and download other people's AI videos. But the best part is the Remix button. You can take the base image from a video you like, change the prompt, and create something totally new with your own twist. When creating from scratch, here is the workflow I use a lot for my own videos. Go to the Create section and under Image, select your format as horizontal or vertical. Test out the aesthetics. I'm showing the ones that work best for me on screen right now. Paste your prompt and it will generate 4 super eye-catching images. Because it's unlimited, just hit Generate again if you don't like them. Once you click your favorite image, you have a few options. You can apply a restyle for a preset look, edit specific details, or animate it. To animate it, you have 3 options. You can hit Animate so the AI analyzes the image and decides how to move it. You can use Custom Animate where you write a prompt directing the motion, or you can use Animate with Lip Sync. This is supposed to add voice, but it's currently in beta and not working perfectly yet. Hit Generate and you have your custom video. But what if you want to skip the image generation entirely? In the video section, you can just type a prompt and hit Animate. Or, and this is huge, you can upload an image of a character you already use in your videos. This ensures that exact character appears without you needing to describe them again. Add whatever restyles you want and you're good to go. This is perfect for making YouTube animations or stacking clips for a narrated story. There are no watermarks, it's completely free, and you can generate massive quantities. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on Meta AI. Finally, the third tool is Qwen, a community-driven AI that bridges the gap between social inspiration and high-end video generation. By exploring the community section, you can browse a massive gallery of trending videos and study the exact detailed prompts other creators used to achieve their cinematic results. This open book approach allows you to learn their secrets or build directly from their creative foundations rather than starting from scratch. To generate your own video, you simply open a new chat and describe your vision to the AI in plain language. The most important technical detail to include is the orientation. You must specify whether you need a horizontal video for YouTube or TV or a vertical video for TikTok and Reels. This allows the AI to optimize the composition and framing correctly from the very first frame. Once you provide your description and layout, the AI processes your text into a high-quality video clip, which you can then refine by asking for specific changes in the same chat. The landscape of AI video has shifted, putting professional tools in your hands without the need for expensive monthly subscriptions. By mastering Grok AI, you can create high-quality videos where the audio actually matches the visuals, meaning if you prompt a guitar, you'll actually hear a guitar, making your content sound way more authentic. With Meta AI, you get incredible creative control through its remix and animate features, allowing you to upload your own characters to keep them consistent across different scenes, or quickly restyle a video to change its entire vibe. Finally, Qwen acts as your cinematic guide, letting you learn from a massive community of creators, so you can copy their detailed prompt secrets and perfectly frame your shots for either YouTube or TikTok. Using these three platforms together, starting with a perfect image and then animating it, gives you a complete, unlimited production studio that keeps your workflow fast, professional, and entirely free. You officially no longer have an excuse to pay massive monthly subscriptions just to bring your ideas to life. I want to hear from you. Let me know down in the comments which one of these three tools you are going to test out first, and what kind of video you're planning to make with it. If this video helped you out and saved you some money, make sure to smash that subscribe button and drop a like so we can keep bringing you the best free AI resources every single week. Those are the three tools I wanted to show you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.